About the Power Dax function, Power BI Dax function. I have already imported the data. I have three tables. One is cookies type and customers, and then orders table. Let's have a look at the different tables. First, order table is our main table, and it contains customer ID, order ID, product, unit sold, date, revenue, and cost. Okay, sorry. Then we have customers table, and which contain customer distinct ID, then name and other relevant information about the customers. Then we have another table which is cookies type, and it contains cookies type and units sold, how many units we have sold of some cookies, and then revenue per cookies and cost per cookies, per unit cost per cookies. Okay, and then I have already created the relationship between all these three tables. Since order table is our main table, and the remaining these two tables on the sides are lookup tables. There is one-to-many relationship between orders table and customer table has been created, and you can see the customer IDs I have used, and for cookies table I have created the relationship by creating one-to-many relationship between cookies type and product ID. Now let's move to the Power Dax function. Okay. Now we want to create a new layer with the help of Power BI Dax, and it works similar to Microsoft Excel, we can say, but it is more powerful. Here we have mayor would be the name of whatever the mayors we want to create. For example, I want to create a mayor of total number of units sold. Total number of units sold. Okay, now I will use the sum formula. Okay, and now what I want to sum. Now I want to sum units sold. Let's drag down where are the units sold. Okay, we have units sold column in orders table. Okay, we can do. Okay, now the mayors have. Okay, a new mayor of total number of units has been created now. Let's click on it. Okay, we can change it into matrix table. Okay, it is still good. Okay, it tells us that the total number of units sold, or it gives us the total number of units of cookies sold. If we want to find with cookies tab, just drag it here. Let's see. Okay, now it is giving us the different types of cookies, and how many of them has been sold. Okay, then let's move to our next function, which is counts of order. how can we count the orders? Let's move to the new mayor again and use. Okay, it is taking some time, and okay, our mayor name will be counts of order, count of order, orders. Okay, we will use the count. Now there are different count function available to us, similar to Microsoft Excel. Count function, count a function, and conta blank and count rows. Since I am looking to find count rows functions, therefore I will be using count rows function that will give me how many number of rows. Okay, now let me orders. Okay, here is my order table. Okay, it is working. Okay, a new mayor have been created of count of with the name of counts of order, and we have to convert it again. And okay, 700 orders have been made. Now if I want to see which customer made the most of the order, customer ID, I will just drag the customer ID here. And okay, customer 1 made 92 orders, and customer 2 132, and our customer 3 made the most order, which are 206. Okay, and then let's to the next move to the next mayors, and we will okay, new orders. And in this mayor we will be using a distinct count. Yeah, I have performed the distinct count function kind of here. So let's move to the comments. How can we add comments into our mayor? Let's see how can we add comments to our mayor. Just drop it, and here is our. Just drop it, and let's see how can we add comments to our mayor, which is okay. Edit from where we can edit this mayor. Okay, data table. Okay, I can. Okay, I find it. Sorry. Okay, I will do. Okay, I am doing shift. It's not working. Shift enter, and we will move to the next row, and then not this. Okay, then I can write my comment as this mayor will tell me about the total number of orders. Okay, let's hit enter. Now I can see now the my comment has been added, and this in this way we can add comments to our mayor as well. Then move to the next mayor. Again, new mayor, which is about total profit. How can we calculate the total profit? Since we have been given revenue and the cost of orders. So our major name would be total profit. And what can we do is sum of, okay, let me see, sum of revenue, where it is. Okay, I cannot find revenue. Okay, I find the revenue minus. Now let's deduct the cost from it. Sum function, and it will, where is the cost? Okay, here it is. Okay, now the mayor, now new mayor has been created. Where it is. Okay, okay, a total profit mayor has been created. Let's see total profit. Okay, again change it into matrix so we can analyze it. So our total profit is 2.717 million. Okay, then I can, what I can do right now is I can find customer ID. Okay, it will be a distinct ID. I can find that how much total profit I have earned from some customer, from some specific customer from customer one I have earned A02199 profit, and from customers two, and okay, as we have earlier seen, as customer three has made most of the orders, and we can see our most of the profit is coming from customer 8, customer 3, so we have to focus on our customer 3 as well. Okay, now there is another mayor, there is another way to create mayors. Yeah, I think it is a quick mayor. Let me check which one is a quick mayor. Okay, there is an easiest way to create mayors. It is quick mayors. Okay, the window will be opening soon. We can use it if we, okay, there are different options we have been given. For example, we want to use subtraction function, and here we will use and what we want to deduct from what. Okay, customer, we will go to orders, and we will use revenue. Okay, revenue. From revenue, we want to deduct our cost of sale. Yeah, yeah, here is cost. Okay, and it will create a new measure just like that, where it has been created. Let me. Okay, we can also use this. Let me increase the view since I fit to size, actual size. Okay, actual size will do better. Okay, I don't. Let's wrap up the today's video, and we can see where the new mayors has been created. The new mayor has been created in orders, and I don't know where it has been created. Let me see. Okay, total number of units sold, counts of order, 3 mayors, and okay, it has been created here. Now we can see, okay, we can use convert it into a matrix chart and revenue. What I have used here, customer ID, distinct customer ID. Where is our distinct customer ID? Let's drag it here and okay, minimize. Okay, now if we look on both of these chart, we can see there is no difference between both the measures. We can also use quick measures to for the our for such a purpose. Okay, that's all from for the today's videos. I hope you I hope you guys have liked it, and